Ever wanted to quit all your open apps in one go on macOS? Today I'll show you how to create a super handy shortcut using the built-in Shortcuts app to clear your desktop in seconds. Let's dive in. Manually quitting apps one by one is a drag, especially when you've got a dozen open. With macOS's Shortcuts app, we can automate this to quit all apps at once. Perfect for resetting your workspace or saving battery before a meeting. No coding needed, just a few clicks. Alright, let's build this shortcut in macOS Tahoe. Works in Monterey or later too. Follow along on your Mac. Open up Shortcuts with the Spotlight or Launchpad. Once it's open, click the plus button in the top right to start a new shortcut. Then on that new window, from the right, simply search for the action name as Quit App. Then double-click it to add that up. This action tells macOS to close every open app, except Finder, which stays running. From the drop-down, you can select All Apps. You'll see an option that's optional to exclude any certain apps you don't want to close. Click it to select from the applications. Click the Choose button next to it. I will search for QuickTime Player, since I'm currently using it for this recording and be able to demonstrate it later without closing my screen recording. Now from here, you are free to choose any apps that you want to exclude. Carefully go through all the list and select which one applies. From the title bar above, you can rename this shortcut. For now I will put Quit All. You can close this window to return on the main page. Here is our Quit All shortcut. When you right-click on it, you can access some various options, such as running it, editing, renaming it, changing icon, adding it to the dock, and some sharing option. Modifying the icon option in the Shortcuts app allows you to customize both the color and appearance of your shortcut by selecting from a variety of vibrant color schemes and adding a unique symbol or glyph, making it instantly recognizable in the Shortcuts menu, on the menu bar, or when pinned to the dock for quick access. macOS's built-in sharing functionality offers a wide array of customizable sharing options, allowing you to seamlessly share your custom Quit All Apps shortcut, or its output, with others via platforms like AirDrop, Messages, Mail, or Notes, as well as third-party apps such as Slack or WhatsApp, directly from the Shortcuts app or Finder, with the ability to configure permissions and formats for quick and secure collaboration across your Apple ecosystem. Allow me to add this up on my dock for easy access. You can also add this on your menu bar above, but it's not available currently here on macOS Tahoe. So here is the shortcut to quit all apps. I will open random apps and let's run this bad boy up. Alright, let's run the Quit All app now. And there you have it, a quick macOS shortcut to quit all your apps in one click. It's a game changer for keeping your Mac tidy. What's your favorite macOS trick? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more time-saving tips.